If you want to go ahead and create out presets in the preset browser section right here, you can simply go ahead and click on the plus button right here and create encoding preset. Once you do that, you get the option right here for the preset, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and type in YouTube, let's say for example, and here I can select out the format. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select S.265 right here, and you can choose whatever you want, like matte source or 4K, 8K, and so forth. So let's just select 4K right here. Comments, let's say, for example, this is going to be sample preset right here, just like this. You can export the video and audio as well. So you don't have a preview window, but you got all of the settings that you want to apply. For example, you can see that you can go ahead right here and choose hardware or software level encoding right here, just like this in performance. You can go ahead and choose the quality level right here to higher, and even change around the bit depth right here. Let's say, for example, I can type in 50 right here, just like this. You can go ahead and make the changes according to how you want in all of these parameters right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and type this in as YouTube 4K right here as the preset sample. So this is what you have. As you can see, you can enable everything else and press OK. And then what happens is that under user preset, you can see YouTube 4K right here. And that is how you can simply go ahead and create out the preset as you want in the preset section. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe